I'm not one of those. I can't, I just be out here like, okay, cool. No, like, bitch, I'm cute. I don't give a fuck. I don't gotta shake this shit. You know what it is.
Playing on the beat.
Best friends, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I apologize for the little profanity in the beginning of the video. I had to add it in the beginning. It's just there. It just needed to be there, okay? But anyway, this hair is from Alipearl. Okay, they sent me all of these goodies in this frontal wig. This is a HD lace wig, okay? Now, they said that this is a medium cap, but honestly, this cap is small. It could not fit me, so I had to ask one of the homies, Jazzy, if she could come through and so I can install this wig on her, and she did. And so it fits her, it fit her, all right? And she has a small head, so she's about a 21 inch. So unfortunately, I'm like a 22 and a half, 23, so that's for you to know. So like if you are interested in getting this wig, maybe you need to size up on your cap. But yeah, so we're gonna just go and jump right into this. I am gonna use 4U volume and quick blue to bleach my knots, and that's what you are seeing me do here. Now they gave me a lot of goodies. They gave me lace wraps, combs, clips, baggies, edge brushes. A lot came with this packaging. And the hair is super pretty. It's a high density. Like I said, it's HD lace, and I think it was 26 inches. I will have all the specs down below in the description box for you guys. All right, this is a Deepwave wig, and it is a beautiful deep wave. All right, as you see in the beginning, like the hair hits, like it's so nice. All right, now when it comes to HD lace, you guys know that that is a more expensive type of lace that you could purchase when you do buy wigs. It is more realistic. It is a thinner lace. It's a more flexible lace. It's not durable, unless you are really good at taking care of your wigs. But HD lace is a little bit expensive, so therefore this wig is going to be a little bit more expensive, on the more expensive side, because it's HD lace, it's a high density, and it's a long wig. So when you add those three components together, it's going to be a little bit pricier. All right, so I added the bleach on there. I got a little bit bleach on some of the hair, so I wet a paper towel and I wiped it off so it won't process. And this is what the hair looks like after I customized it and I put it on homegirl right there. So she looks good with this little side part and the baby hairs, you feel me? She looks really good with them lashes too. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and apply this wig on Jazzy. All right, so I was having her molded. I used I actually used liquid gold to mold her down. I like liquid gold because it does not contain any alcohol, so it will not dry out your skin. It will not irritate you. A lot of my friends are allergic to latex and allergic to products with an extreme amount of alcohol. So liquid gold, you can use this to adhere your cap down, and you can use this to apply your wig, and you can use this to lay your baby hairs down. It's a multi-use product. Okay, I am not sponsored to say that. I absolutely love liquid gold. I absolutely love boho products. So I'm over here etching out her hairline with like the end of a rat tail comb, and then from that point I'm gonna just go ahead and cut off the excessive cap so we could go ahead and apply her wig. So me and Jazzy are around the same skin tone, and I use Ruby Kisses in the shade 16 on her. It matches her skin tone perfect. So I'm just gonna buff that all around her stocking cap, just so she could have a good bald cap. So let's put this wig on. So like I told you guys before, a lot of my friends are allergic to latex, and a lot of my friends are allergic to a lot of excessive amount of alcohol. So Jasmine is one of the friends that is allergic to latex. If she put latex on or latex touch her, she's going to break out. She's going to have a bad reaction. So today we're going to do a glueless wig install on her, and we're going to use, again, Liquid Gold. Liquid Gold is a phenomenal product to use if you are allergic to latex. It's a temporary hold, but it's an easy product to clean up and reapply your wig. Or if you do get lifting, you can add a little bit more product, blow dry it down, and you're good to go. Okay, and to maintain Liquid Gold, all you do is, you know, use some hairspray at night, spray your hairline, wrap your edges down, and you're good to go for the following day. I've wore Liquid Gold for about 3 to 4 days, and before it started getting to the point where I'm like, okay, I'm ready to wash my wig or exchange my wig. I'm just the type of person that likes to change their wigs out a lot. Okay, so I put a thin coat of Liquid Gold on her. I put some on the back of the cap as well, so it can fully secure down, so it won't move at all, so she can have a good longevity wear out of this. And so I put it down, and then I'll lay the lace down, and then I'll blow dry it on warm until it completely dries. And I do that for the entire portion of her hairline. Once everything is dried down, I'm going to take my scissors and start cutting the excessive lace off. What's dope is you can barely see the lace that's still on her face because it's HD lace, and it literally blends in really good. Okay, and I didn't put makeup on this lace yet, and it looks absolutely amazing on her. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue to cut off the excessive lace, and then we're gonna lay her baby hairs. So for her baby hairs, I am always going to be using my flat irons to curl her hair, to curl the baby hairs. And then I'm going to use spritz to lay the baby hairs down, and just to give it that look that I like, that all my friends like, because clearly they like how I do my baby hair. So when they come over, they want their baby hairs the same. Look at that. Like, it looks so good on her. Like, she's never had like super thick curly hair like this. So I'm gonna pin the hair up, and I'm gonna spray her hairline with some, what is that, Eben, or got to be, no, that's Eben. I'm gonna spray it with some Eben, okay? And then I'm gonna wrap her hair down with an elastic band so it can melt and mold. And if there are any pieces of the lace lifting up, it'll lift it, it'll set it in place. It's not gonna move. And so at this point, I'm just gonna go ahead and press her down, make sure she is like slick and popping and neat, okay? And I'm gonna go ahead and add some water, just pure water to here, and I'm gonna put enough, not to make it drenching wet, but enough to like tame the hair, because it's a high density wig and it's long, so it can get big. All right, so Jasmine is a small person. She don't necessarily need super big hair, but she wearing it today, you feel me? And so I'm just gonna spray it and tame it for her. After I spray it, I'm gonna take my Cantu Curl Wave Whip Mousse, and I'm gonna put an excessive amount of that on there. And this is also gonna help it stay puffy less. is gonna tame it and make it look nice. She's just showing me stuff. Y'all, I was deep conditioning my hair. I'm sorry that I look crazy in this video. And I'm going to go ahead and pull this this band off. And this is what her hair looks like. Of course she loves it. Of course she's going to love this, all right? But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this wig. If you guys are interested in this HD unit from Alipearl, let me know down below, and I will have all the information for you in the description box. Make sure you check the description box. Everything you will need, it will be in there. And until next time, bye best friends.